Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. So the first video in the next session of my videos is regarding some tips and tricks that you might know, maybe you don't know, but I'm gonna show them anyway. So we all know how to do the basic screenshot, right? So we press the volume up, we press the button on the right side, the lock button, and we get this. So the whole page is, a screenshot. You can write on it, you can do whatever, and then you press to save. I don't need this right now because this is not what I'm showing you. However, if I'm on a web page like Amazon web page or any other web page, then I might find something interesting, but I don't want to do the screenshots of each segment of the page. I want to do it in one shot. There is an option to screenshot the entire page of your iPhone. So we do the same motion again. We press the volume up and the lock key like this, but once we select this little option will show up for majority of the web pages. Beware, sometimes on some web pages this will not appear for unknown reason to me, but if you know what might be the reason, please leave the comments. I would like to know. So we click full page and you get this scroller on the side and you can just see what you are screenshotting, if that's even a verb. Anyway, so you can screenshot an entire page. How to save it now? Now we move to the upper left corner, we click done. And here you have two options. You can save it as photos or you can save it as a PDF to your files. So let's save it as a photo and that's it. I'm gonna head over to my photos and try to see. There you go, this is the screenshot. Now it looks a bit ridiculous to be honest, but what you do, you need to zoom in. And then you have the entire page available to you at any given point of time, and you can refer back to it when you need it. If we do a screenshot and save it as, so again, if we do a screenshot and want to save it as a PDF, we go again to full page, we click done and save PDF to files. Now it's gonna ask you where you wanna save it, and I'm just gonna say to downloads, for example, and click save. Now when I head over to my Files app, I come here, I go to browse, and I find my iCloud drive, and I found my downloads. It should be somewhere over here. There you go, Amazon AE. You can see the entire page is saved as a PDF, and you can open it in any PDF reader you might be using. So that's it. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to this awesome channel, and I'll see you in the next video.